This is Sean.
I'm Ireland's greatest waiter.
Okay. And this is his brother Seamus.
I'm his brother Seamus.
Yeah, I said that. They work in their Uncle Tony's bistro. But when they get together, they become...
Lords of Strut.
changing the world through dance. One massive 80s tune at a time.
You've never seen anything like this before. Never.
To get this good, they need to practice a lot.
We don't walk to work. We work out to work.
And what is the secret to their success?
Synchronicity. Convergence.
The Lords hope to turn pro one day and throw in their aprons.
Shh. Don't tell Uncle Tony.
Together, these boys really are something.
Yes, we are. We really are something.
John, one piece of bacon. Right.
It gets better when you bring great together. For more great combinations, see eir.ie.
We've been doing this so long, we finish each other's pauses.